If you want to pair the RX 6700 XT with a CPU that will keep up without draining your entire budget, the Ryzen 5 5600X is a tried-and-true processor. It's been one of the most popular CPUs in the PC building community for good reason. 6 Zen 3 cores with strong single-threaded performance means it pushes this GPU to its full potential at 1080p and holds steady at 1440p. You don't need high-end cooling, you don't need an expensive motherboard, and you won't spend hours tweaking BIOS settings. Drop it into a decent AM4 board, set your memory profile, and you're ready for gaming. It's that no bottleneck, no nonsense kind of chip. Thermals are easy to keep in check, and the mature AM4 platform means compatibility headaches are rare, but that's also where the one big drawback comes in. AM4 is done. There's no upgrade runway here. If you plan on swapping to a faster CPU in the next couple of years, you'll be replacing your board and moving to DDR5 at the same time. Still, if you're keeping this setup for a while and your budget is tight, it's hard to beat the value. And if you want to save a little more, the Ryzen 5 5600 gives you almost the same gaming experience for less money. For those who lean Intel, the Core i5-12400F is the natural counterpart in this price range. 6 high-performance cores, consistent frame times, and it pairs beautifully with the 6700 XT at both 1080p and 1440p. It's the definition of plug and play. Throw it on a B660 or B760 board, add a decent cooler, and you're set. If pricing lines up, the Core i5-13400F gives you a couple more threads and a slight bump in multitasking, though gaming performance isn't massively different. Just remember, LGA 1700 is at the end of its life, so don't expect future CPU drops for it.